Which part I have to explain again, Vivek? See, do you actually think that I should be explaining everything again every time a person asks me? What is it that you have not understood? You tell me, I will explain from there. How can it be that such a simple thing you have not understood and it is written in front of you and you are going to become an officer and you can't read this? You can't read this? And you have to be attentive when I was speaking. Before I completed my talk, you immediately typed, "Sir, please explain again." I have not even finished my explanation. See, let us be very rational when we are, asking the teacher to explain again. All right. Otherwise, I'll have to skip and move ahead. As simple as that. And you have to tell me specifically from which particular point I have to repeat. It cannot be that you have not understood anything. If you have not understood anything, then leave it. Okay. All right, Vivek, B. This is person B. Look, his rank from left is 7, his rank from right is 4. So 7 plus 4 is also 11. All right, A's rank from left is 3, rank from right is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. For this person, let us say 1 and 10, 11. Anywhere, 5 and 6, 11. 4 and 7, 11. Anywhere. Any of the person who's standing in this row, his left rank and right rank, if you add, it will be the same. It will be equal. The total will be equal throughout for every person. And that total will be one more. Whatever that we are getting, it will be, that sum is going to be one more than the total number of persons. Total number of persons. So please memorize this and write this down right now 5 times in your place. Plus R is equal to plus 1. Position from left plus position from right is equal to total number of persons plus 1. There's going to be one more. Absolutely correct, Anubhav. Bang on. Very good. Five times very fast means very fast. Treat yourself as an officer. Think like an officer, behave like an officer, work like an officer. Be fast. Be decisive. Even if you commit a mistake, be fast. Okay, so this was one concept. Now listen to me carefully because I'm not going to repeat it. How many persons are there between A and B? In this row of persons, in this row of some people standing, how many persons are standing between A and B? How many persons are standing between A and B? Lovely. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So there are 3 persons who are standing between A and B. Now, let us say that if at all we have to find out, we know the rank of A from the left is 4th. Not 4th, 3rd. Let me take it as 3rd. That's what it is, right? And the rank of B in this row, let us say, is 7th from left, as you can see. 3rd from left, 7th from left. And let us say you do not know how many persons are standing in this row. You do not know how many persons are standing in this row. Now listen to me carefully because I am not going to repeat this point. And if you are not able to catch it, there can be only 2 reasons. Parents, alright, which is upright. Okay. Second, you are absolutely not attentive. Now don't disappoint me. I'm calling you an officer. Alright? So behave like an officer with me. Okay? Make me believe that you are an officer. Now, my point here is when the position of these two persons A and B, when the positions of these two persons A and B are known from the same end, right? Positions are given from the same end, which is the end which is given here. Here it is given as left. Okay. Then the number of persons standing or sitting between A and B is given by, out of these two, higher rank minus lower rank minus 1. Okay, please tell yourself it is easy. If initially it's what is this, this is what is that, that is what. If you keep on doing this, you need to improve your personality and your outlook and attitude. Now, out of these two, please type which is the higher rank. Out of 3 and 7, which is the higher rank. Wonderful. Then which is the lower rank? Obviously. So 7 minus 3 is 4, minus 1 is 3. If this was not given to you, then this is how you would have found it. Okay. Now, in a row of some people, A's rank from the right, let us say, is 20. B's rank from the right is 40. Now notice that both these persons' ranks are known from the same end. Only then you can apply this formula. Okay. Now tell me how many persons are standing between A and B. 61. Lovely. How 61? Please explain. Officer in making. How 20? Why can't we simply read the formula and use it? Which is the higher rank? 40. Which is the lower rank? 20. Minus 1. So this is 20 minus 1. Our answer should be 90. Alright. In a class of some students, A's rank from the top is 50 and B's rank from the top is 25. So how many students are there between A and B? Okay, so simply top. First of all, we should know their ranks from the same end. If we know their ranks from the same end, only then we will apply this formula. Okay? Alright? This formula, read this, is to be used only when both persons' ranks are given from the same end, 10 times I spoke. So these are the two major types that we needed to cover. Now, the questions would be framed only around these two types. One, you can use the formula L plus R is equal to T plus 1 to find out the total number of persons standing in a row, or finding out a person's rank from left or right. And this formula to find out how many persons are there between A and B. Let's start. So this is what is actually same thing as this. L plus R is equal to T plus 1. So T here is L plus R minus 1. So you can use this as well. These are the other forms. Better to remember this only. L plus R is equal to T plus 1. Simple as that. Now the concept of finding out the number of persons standing between two persons. From the left end is X. And the rank of Mr. B also from the left end. So what are these? Same ends. And this is why then the total number of persons between A and B is higher rank minus lower rank between A and B minus X minus Y minus 1, where X is more than Y. Now note is always important. The ranks of both A and B must be known from the same end. We will see that, Maria. We will see that. For that, we will need to know how many persons are there in the row. We will discuss a question of the same type. Anyhow, please answer this question. I'm giving you a poll. Damn simple, right? You have already written the formula in your notebook, no? Still 55%. Wonderful. You have the formula left plus right is equal to T plus 1. Right? So position is given from the top. Don't tell me, sir, you have not taught us for top and bottom. You have not taught us for front and end, front and behind. Hey, Baba, two ends. They could be left, right, top, bottom, front, or behind, whatever. Okay. So from one is 12, from the other is 15. That is equal to T plus 1. So 27 minus 1 is T, which is equal to 26. Actually, 5 seconds would have been sufficient once you have a look. Very good, Abhishek. Yes, Santi. Yes, Ashmi. Archita. Shri Ram.